Switzerland, a country synonymous with precision, neutrality, and wealth. But beneath the iconic imagery of alpine peaks and luxury watches lies one of the most dynamic, innovation-driven economies in the world. The Swiss economy thrives not because of size, but because of design, the perfectly engineered balance between stability and opportunity. Today, we'll explore the 5 best investment business ventures in Switzerland that represent not just growth, but enduring wealth. The first is fintech and digital banking infrastructure. Switzerland's financial industry has always been its backbone, but in the 21st century, it's evolving faster than ever. Zurich and Zug are now global fintech hubs, housing startups specializing in blockchain, digital identity, and decentralized finance. Zug's Crypto Valley has attracted hundreds of blockchain companies that are redefining what digital trust and financial transparency mean. What makes this sector particularly appealing for investors is Switzerland's unique mix of financial tradition and regulatory foresight. The government embraces blockchain regulation through clear legal frameworks. And like many other countries where rules remain vague, for investors, that means clarity, security, and scalability. Whether it's investing in blockchain infrastructure, digital banking platforms, or compliance tech, Switzerland's fintech ecosystem provides fertile ground for steady, regulated innovation. The second major opportunity lies in luxury manufacturing and sustainable precision engineering. Switzerland's reputation for luxury goods, watches, medical instruments, and high-end machinery isn't built on marketing, it's built on craftsmanship. Yet what's interesting now is how sustainability is being woven into these industries. Brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Tag Heuer are investing heavily in sustainable materials and energy-efficient production, while precision manufacturing firms in cantons like Vaud and Argot are transitioning toward green engineering. For investors, these businesses represent more than tradition, they symbolize longevity. Swiss manufacturing operates under one of the world's highest quality standards, and its exports reach every continent, as global demand for durable, high-precision goods continues to grow. Switzerland remains an unmatched player in the high-value export economy. Third, we turn to biotechnology and medical innovation. Switzerland is one of Europe's biotech capitals, second only to Germany in size but often first in productivity. Basel, home to pharmaceutical giants like Novartis and Roche, has built an entire ecosystem of startups focused on medical innovation, diagnostics, and life sciences. The government's consistent support for R&D, combined with world-class universities like Zurich and EPFL Lausanne, makes Switzerland a magnet for medical startups. Biotech investors benefit from strong intellectual property laws, global distribution channels, and an ecosystem where science meets profitability. What sets Switzerland apart is its integration of AI and robotics in healthcare innovation, from biotech analytics platforms to robotic surgery and drug automation. The Swiss are building the next frontier of medical technology, one that is both human-focused and data-driven. The fourth lucrative sector is green finance and ESG investing. Switzerland's banking culture has evolved. The new Swiss financial frontier isn't secrecy, it's sustainability. Zurich is quickly becoming the global capital of green finance, with banks and funds redirecting capital toward renewable projects, circular economy ventures, and social impact initiatives. Investors who once looked to Switzerland for safety now look here for sustainability. The Swiss financial ecosystem is redefining how wealth and responsibility intersect, with government incentives for ESG funds and institutions adopting net-zero investment mandates. For entrepreneurs and investors alike, opportunities are emerging in ESG consulting, impact measurement, and sustainability-driven startups that service global corporations seeking to comply with EU green standards. Finally, we arrive at sustainable tourism and alpine real estate. Switzerland's tourism sector is legendary, but its transformation towards sustainability has opened new doors for investors. From eco-resorts powered by renewable energy to luxury chalets designed with carbon-neutral materials, the Swiss tourism industry is embracing green innovation without losing its signature exclusivity. What's more, the alpine real estate market, especially in regions like Zermatt, Davos, and Interlaken continues to attract international investors seeking safe, appreciating assets. Investing in ecotourism operations, high-end mountain hospitality, or smart real estate developments offers stable returns backed by one of the most resilient property markets in Europe. So what ties these 5 ventures together? Stability meets sophistication. Each sector embodies Switzerland's national character, quiet strength, long-term vision, and uncompromising quality. Fintech connects to green finance. Luxury manufacturing aligns with sustainability. Biotech benefits from precision engineering. Tourism and real estate complement each other in value and reliability. Every part of the Swiss economy supports another in an intricate network built on trust, innovation, and discipline. Switzerland is not the place for speculative investments. It's the place for strategic ones. Its regulatory environment rewards patience. Its economy rewards precision, and its culture rewards consistency. When you invest in Switzerland, you're not betting on volatility, you're compounding stability. The returns may not always come fast, but they come with certainty. And in a world of economic noise, that silence, that calm is worth more than gold. So if your goal is not just to make money but to preserve and multiply it intelligently, Switzerland is where financial craftsmanship meets long-term growth.